A particle moves a distance x in time t according to equation x equals to t plus 5 whole power minus 1. The acceleration of particle is proportional to. This is a Neet PYQ physics PMT prelims 2010 question. So let's solve this. In the question it's given that x equals to t power 5 whole power minus 1. So here let's, for simplification, we substitute t plus 5 as t. There is nothing wrong to substitute like that, because there's are asking about proportionality. Even if there is an equation, at the end we can substitute this t plus 5 in the place of t. So I'm writing this as capital T power minus 1. Okay, so we know that for velocity we differentiate distance. For velocity we differentiate displacement. In this case we got distance, there is nothing wrong with it. And for acceleration we differentiate velocity. So dv by dt. Let's solve this. For v we have minus t power 2, and for a we have 2t power minus 3. For this, like, if you have doubt, the formula here used is dx power, and we are differentiating this, is equals to this n comes here and n minus 1. This is a differentiating formula. So here is minus 1, so here we got minus 1, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This minus got plus, so here we got 2, and minus 2 minus 1 we got 3. Okay, this is how we differentiated these things. And here we don't consider this minus 1 and the 2 over here. Those are not required, those constants. So in the question we given that acceleration of particle proportional to. So let's see how it is done. This is the acceleration. Acceleration is equals to t power minus 3. Let's consider, let's ignore these two. So we have to write the distance and velocity. We have to write acceleration in the term of distance and velocity. So to write in terms of distance and velocity, we already know that distance t power minus 1 is distance. Here over there is t power minus 3. We can do like this, t power minus 1 whole power 3, which is actually acceleration, and t power minus 1 is nothing but distance. So here we can say that acceleration is proportional to distance power cube. But in the options we don't have that option, so we are ignoring this too. So let's go with the velocity. For velocity we have v equals to t power minus 2. Let's ignore this minus 1 minus sign. Let's only see this. So we have to write acceleration in terms of velocity. So for that, it's nothing but a equals to t power minus 2, which is velocity. T power minus 2, which is velocity, whole power 3 by 2. Okay, you may ask that how I wrote this 3 by 2. Let's see this. You will understand even more for other problems like this. So we are just multiplying this 2, like here minus 1, let's say something x here, and in the end we have to get minus 3, like we have to something multiply over here to get this minus 3 at the end. What is that? Minus get cancelled, the x over here will be 3. And in the same case we have to multiply something, so to get at the end minus 3, so into x is equals to minus 3, so minus get cancelled, x equals to 3 by 2. right? So that's what I multiplied here. Even if you see minus 2 into 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, you get minus 3, which is for the acceleration. So here velocity is nothing but t power minus 2. So acceleration is directly proportional to velocity whole power 3 by 2. This is the answer. But for if you want to do through the options, you have that way also. It is a second method of doing the solution. You just substitute these things, like for the velocity you already have this t power minus 2, substitute, and if you're getting the acceleration t power minus 3, go for it. Like if you check those options, for what we got, t power minus 1 for distance and t power minus 2 for velocity, by substituting in this you get through that also answer. And this is a method of doing. Thank you.